Hello guys, welcome back to Nagyez Mobile Solution Center. Today's video, I'll show you how to remove Google account FRP lock on Infinix Smart 8 after factory reset. This phone is locked and asks for previous Google account, and I'll show you the working method step by step without a computer. First, connect the phone to your Wi-Fi with a good internet connection, and let's proceed. Before we start, make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any step, because skipping can make the bypass fail. This is the reason why I told you to connect it with a good internet connection or a good Wi-Fi connection, because if the network is bad, it will take some time before it opens the next page for you. As for mine, it takes a lot of time for it to open the next page because I was having a bad internet connection. So you need to get a good internet connection first before continuing. After it opens, just tap on Don't Copy and wait for a while for it to open again. Try if you can. It's locked and it is also showing the previous Google account. This means the phone is locked. If your phone is showing this means you have to follow what I will do or what I'm doing so you can also bypass and start using your phone. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Remember to bypass a phone you legally own to avoid any unlawful action or activity. You need to go back to the Wi-Fi page to start working on the phone. Tap on next and tap on this to open the Google Chrome app or Google browser. After opening, need to tap use without account or use without an account. Then you tap on continue or no thanks, anyone you prefer. Allow. We are trying to open the settings app. So you need to search for GSM Official, gsmofficial.com. From there, you need to start from GSM Official, the first link that pop up, and select Google FRP. From there, you need to search for System Settings and open System Settings. You see, it's not working. Let's try this method. I'm sure this one will work. Just search for Nagyez Mobile Solution or Nagyez Mobile Solution Center. If you're fortunate, the first link that will pop up will be my YouTube channel link. All you have to tap on it. If not, just scroll till you find it. Yeah, till you find it. Teaching them about our God Jehovah. As you can see, it didn't show it, so you have to scroll a little bit and tap on the channel to open the YouTube app. From there, you have to tap the three dots at the top and select settings, accessibility, and activate it. From there, you have to follow this step so you can open this one and activate accessibility menu. Yes, this one. From here, you have to go back to the previous page, the Wi-Fi, the place that will connect the phone to Wi-Fi. That's the place where the magic will happen. After the phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, tap next. From here, we need to disconnect the Wi-Fi. As I was saying earlier, this is where the magic will happen. So you have to turn off the hotspot. Okay, it will turn off automatically and tap next, tap more, or you have to scroll and tap accept, skip. Okay, skip. From here, tap on the accessibility menu shortcut and tap on assistant, Google Assistant, use without account. Then okay, you have to type in open settings, or you have to speak to the microphone. Open settings. With clear blue skies and a beautiful sunrise. Once it opens, you have to scroll down to where it says app management, app list, and look for Google Play service and disable it, as well as first off, go back to the setup page. Tap on the green button on the border to open our new phone. You can now use our phone to do whatever you want. If you have watched up to this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section. See you in my next video. Thank you.